To find the average, we need sum and a variable called average. Also, we'll declare the dimensions of two-dimensional array, integer n, m, and sum. Average will be in float. We'll say to the user to give the row and columns of matrix. We'll declare the two-dimensional array A with specific n and m. We'll fill the matrix with two loops because it's a two-dimensional array. One loop is for rows and the other loop is for columns. As we need to find the average for each columns of matrix, we'll take the j loop because j is for columns. J equals 0. J is lower than m. J plus plus. We need to find the sum and average for each columns. We need to initialize sum with 0 and average with 0 for every iteration of I. Now we'll take the rows. Sum equals sum plus aij. That is the sum of rows for that column, and average equal sum times 1.0 to turn sum from int into float, because the average is in float, divided by m, the total number, as that we define average. Here we'll close the I loop, and then we'll print average for the %d, that will be the column number. Column is %.02f new line. That means that we need 2 zeros after comma, and we'll give here j plus 1 because we start from 0 and we want to start from 1 for the user, and average. At least we'll return 0. Now we'll compile our code and see the result. J was not declared, so we need to say integer here, and here integer. Compile again. We need a semicolon here, and we'll compile. We are right. We'll give the rows and column of matrix 2, 3, and we'll fill with some random values to have a better interaction with the user. We'll print the matrix and we'll see it again. To print the matrix, we just need to copy that piece of code, and here we just need to say printf. We'll remove and we'll say for the user matrix given. We'll say here tab, and we'll just print a new line. So that means that here is row. At the end of rows we have a new line, and we'll go to the next row. Now we'll compile again and see the result. We'll fill the matrix. Matrix given is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Average equals sum times 1.0 divided by n, by the number of rows given. We'll compile, we'll say 2 rows and 3 columns, and we'll fill the two-dimensional array, and now we are right. The third column average is 9 divided by 2, 4.5.